Milo, do you hate the linoleum? Huh? How do you feel about linoleum? Let's find out. Wait, toy? Go get it! Go get it! It's over there, go get it! Come on, you big vajayjay, go get it! Yeah, that's not annoying at all. Go get it! Get it! It's right there! Get it! What's wrong? Get it! It's right there. Go on. Get your toy. Here, will this help? This works, you're big. Go get it. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Where's Milo?
He's in here.